Hartmut Rosa and the transforming power of resonance theory. Have you ever stopped to think about why your life feels so incredibly fast and frantic today? It seems that no matter how many time-saving applications we download on our smartphones, or how fast our home appliances become, we always feel like we are running late, falling behind, and completely running out of breath. We rush through our morning coffee while scrolling through electronic mail messages. We hasten through our commutes, and we quickly look at notifications while trying to eat dinner with our families. We are constantly moving, yet we rarely feel like we are actually arriving anywhere meaningful. This strange modern condition is exactly what a brilliant and deeply compassionate German sociologist named Hartmut Rosa decided to study. He realized that modern society is trapped on a dangerous treadmill of what he calls social acceleration. To help us understand how to escape this exhausting cycle and reclaim our happiness, he developed a beautiful, life-affirming philosophical framework called resonance theory. This concept reveals that the true meaning of a good life is not about how fast we can produce or how much we can consume. Instead, a successful human life is measured by the quality of our connection to the world, offering us a gentle path back to a life filled with warmth, depth, and genuine emotional harmony. To fully understand the work of Hartmut Rosa, we first need to look closely at the problem of social acceleration. He argues that modern capitalist society operates under a strict, unwritten law that demands continuous growth, speed, and efficiency just to stay stable. Think about a bicycle. If you stop pedaling, you will immediately lose your balance and fall over. Modern society is exactly like that bicycle. It must constantly accelerate, produce more goods, and move information faster just to keep from collapsing economically. Hartmut Rosa points out that this structural speed has deeply altered our personal relationship with time. We feel an internal, anxious pressure to optimize every single minute of our day, treating our lives like a corporate schedule that must be managed perfectly. However, this fast pace creates a tragic psychological side effect that he terms alienation. When we rush through the world at high speed, we can no longer truly touch the things or the people around us. The world becomes a cold, silent, and indifferent place, full of objects to be consumed and tasks to be completed, rather than a home to be lived in. This is exactly where resonance theory enters the picture as a powerful remedy for our modern exhaustion. Hartmut Rosa describes resonance as a completely different way of being alive. To explain this concept simply, he uses the beautiful analogy of a physical tuning fork. If you strike a tuning fork and place it near another one, the second fork will naturally start to vibrate and sing at the exact same frequency. They are in harmony, responding to one another in a beautiful acoustic loop. Hartmut Rosa argues that human beings are built to experience the world in this exact same resonant way. Resonance is not a psychological feeling of pure happiness or satisfaction. Rather, it is a dynamic relationship of mutual responsiveness. It happens when you encounter a person, a piece of art, a natural landscape, or an idea, and you feel deeply touched, altered, and called to respond. When you are in a state of resonance, the world is no longer a silent, hostile machine. It feels alive, open, and filled with meaning. According to Hartmut Rosa, a truly resonant connection requires 4 essential elements to happen. The very first element is affection, which means something external must genuinely touch you, catch your attention, or move you emotionally. The second element is emotion, which is your internal physical and psychological response to that touch, such as a sudden feeling of awe, excitement, or deep focus. The third crucial element is transformation. A true moment of resonance always changes you in some small way. You do not walk away from a resonant encounter as the exact same person you were before. The fourth and final element is perhaps the most important one for our modern culture, which Hartmut Rosa calls uncontrollability. He warns that you can never force, buy, or manufacture a moment of resonance. You can buy an expensive ticket to an elite concert, but you cannot buy the feeling of being deeply moved by the music. Resonance is a voluntary gift that only happens when we slow down, give up our desire for control, and remain open to the unexpected beauty of the present moment. Hartmut Rosa maps out 3 distinct axes of resonance where humans can find this deep connection. The first axis is the horizontal axis, which takes place in our social relationships. This includes authentic, face-to-face conversations with friends, deep romantic bonds, and moments of genuine community solidarity where people truly see, hear, and validate one another. The second axis is the diagonal axis, which connects us to the material world through our work, our hobbies, and our everyday actions. This happens when a carpenter feels a deep connection to the wood they are shaping, when a student loses track of time while reading a fascinating book, or when a gardener feels fully connected to the soil. The third axis is the vertical axis, which connects us to the grand, overarching forces of existence. This is found through experiences in nature, deep spiritual practices, or listening to breathtaking music, where we feel part of a vast, meaningful universe that is much larger than ourselves. The true brilliance of Hartmut Rosa's framework lies in how it redefines our understanding of social justice and progress. For decades, politicians and economists have measured human progress by looking at numbers, such as our gross domestic product, our technological speed, and our individual material wealth. Resonance theory challenges us to realize that a society can be incredibly wealthy and technologically advanced while being completely bankrupt in terms of human connection and well-being. A culture that forces its citizens to work at a frantic pace, isolates them behind digital screens, and destroys the environment is a deeply broken society, regardless of its financial success. True progress means designing communities, workplaces, and schools that protect our time, allow us to slow down, and foster deep, meaningful connections between human beings and the earth. Ultimately, Hartmut Rosa's resonance theory is a beautiful and urgent invitation to transform how we live our lives in a hyperactive world. It is a philosophy that looks directly into our modern anxiety and exhaustion and offers a path forward built on patience, openness, and love. It reminds us that we do not need to constantly optimize ourselves or chase after endless achievements to have a valuable life. By showing us that human happiness lives in the slow, responsive rhythms of mutual care and deep focus, his work invites us to reclaim our time, step off the endless treadmill of speed, and open our hearts to the quiet, beautiful song of the world around us. Thank you so much for taking the time to read through this detailed article on sociology, contemporary culture, and the deeply inspiring resonance theory of Hartmut Rosa. If you found this explanation clear, illuminating, and valuable for understanding the true roots of your daily speed and how to find deeper harmony in your life, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video upload. And please feel free to share your own thoughts, questions, or personal moments of resonance in the comments section below.